Before diving into the exciting world of crypto, let's talk about three explosive picks that are likely to pump before the 2025 Bitcoin halving. First up is Kaspa, or CAS. This cryptocurrency is making waves as one of the fastest Layer 1 blockchains out there. What sets Kaspa apart is its ability to process blocks in parallel, making it incredibly efficient. With sub-1 second confirmations and extremely low fees, it's designed for real-world scalability. As Bitcoin mining becomes more competitive leading up to the halving, projects like Kaspa are poised to capture attention and investment. Next on our list is Render, known by its ticker RNDR. Render is revolutionizing the decentralized GPU rendering economy, which is crucial for industries like AI, 3D modeling, and virtual reality. With the surge in demand for decentralized computing, Render is perfectly positioned to benefit. They've recently secured partnerships with gaming studios and AI platforms, which could significantly boost its adoption. Despite this momentum, RNDR remains undervalued compared to its potential, making it a compelling choice for investors looking to ride the next wave. Finally, let's talk about Injective, or INJ. This project is focused on building the fastest Layer 1 finance chain, specifically designed for decentralized finance, or DeFi. Injective offers zero gas fees and supports cross-chain trading, which is a game changer for users looking to navigate multiple blockchain ecosystems. With DeFi expected to experience significant growth post-halving, INJ could emerge as a breakout star. Its integration with Cosmos and Ethereum enhances its flexibility, making it a strong contender in the crypto space. In summary, as we approach the Bitcoin halving, it's crucial to keep an eye on these three projects: Kaspa, Render, and Injective. They each have unique features and strong potential for growth. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but these are the coins I'm watching closely as we head into the next bull cycle.